Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Monday Bank Nifty will move, what strategy we need to apply, where we need to position ourselves. Friends, yesterday we clearly discussed as soon as the market opens below 37,500, as soon as market crosses 37,500, we'll be looking to sell the market. I mentioned you like as soon as the market crosses this swing, we'll be selling the market, but the market opened exactly below these levels and it got sold into. Just a second. Well, the market opened exactly below these levels and it got sold into. So somewhere at this point, I said you to buy the put options and it gave like 1:5 risk reward somewhere here. And later I asked you to buy the call options and it gave a very good profit from there to here. And I was expecting the market to go on the higher levels, but the market came down and it retested like 37,300 in the futures level and 37,250 in the spot market. So later there was a lot of grinding and slow grinding movement on the higher levels. So somewhere at this point I said you to buy the put options. So the market came due to volatility, it triggered a stop loss and later it flushed. It gave almost like 1:10 times a risk reward for us. But here and this moment and this moment we made a very good profit. So I said let's save this profit and let's trade on the Monday. But later I found some good trades here, so I gave you the trade, but due to volatility we got a little bit of profit, but due to volatility it triggered our stop loss and later it came on the lower levels. So what is the reason why I gave you the put options here? Here you can notice there is absolutely no trade in the order flow. So what does it mean? Like the seller is dominating the market. That means he keeps selling up until he finds the liquidity on the lower levels. So later I saw somewhere here, as you can notice, like huge quantity being sold here, but the price is not moving. Once he came with a huge size, but next rotation there is no huge size, but still the price is moving on the higher levels. So I said you to buy the call options here and we got very good profit up until here. So later on the higher levels, just I'll show you at a higher levels. Just a second. At higher levels you can notice that the buyer is buying, but ultimately the price is not going on the higher levels. And later at this rotation you can notice like the buyer has tried to buy the market, but still it flushed on the lower levels. So it clearly shows like the seller is sitting and he's having a large order somewhere here. So I gave you the stop loss above these levels. Due to volatility the market got triggered our stop loss and later it flushed all the way on the lower levels. So what strategy we need to apply for Monday's market? So today it was completely a range bound and a volatile market. As you can notice, it was completely a range bound. It was trading somewhere like 37,300 to 37,800. Somewhere like 500 points the market was trading and it was a range bound. The reason was behind like last couple of days we have seen the market has moving from higher levels to the lower levels. So the market has to consolidate. Later it has to decide whether it will be going on the higher levels or it will be coming on the lower levels. Let's go and look into the structural format. So if you look into the structural format at a 15 minutes time frame, it has been very much clear like the market is in the range and 37,250 levels being tested, 280 levels or 250 levels has been tested multiple times, once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and later it got bounced. So we'll be looking to sell the market only below 37,280 levels, 250 levels or below this swing. We won't be looking to sell the market up until this swing has been broken decisively. If the market opens gap down somewhere here, then we'll be trying to sell the market and first target should be 37,000 and later target should be like 36,900, because if the market just imagine like if you're holding a put options and as soon as the market opens, if it's flushed on the lower side all try to book the profits and the market might bounce on the higher levels. So if the market opens gap down, it will be a very good opportunity for us to sell the market, and we'll be looking to sell up until 36,900 and 37,000. If the market opens flat and if it crosses this swing and if it comes down, we'll be targeting again up until 37,300. We'll be booking our profits. If the market opens flat and if it starts to go on the higher levels, we'll let it go. Once the market crosses 37,800 levels and if it holds 15 minutes here, then only we'll be looking to buy the market, and first target should be 38,000 levels. So why 38,000? 38,000 works as a psychological level. So the market might even go and retest 38,000 and it might flush on the lower levels. So flat, if it goes up, we'll let it go up until 37,800. If the market holds for 15 minutes, then we'll buy the market and we'll target this 200 points. Then we'll come out of our positions. If the market opens flat and if it starts to come on the lower levels, then we'll be looking to sell the market and we'll target up until 37,300. If the market opens a very big gap up and if the price sustains somewhere 37,800, definitely we'll be buying the call options and we'll be targeting up until 38,000. The reason behind for the sell off is like, I'll just take you at a one day time frame. So if you look into the 1 day time frame, there was an accumulation at these levels. So once the accumulation has been done, the market went straight away in one direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10 consecutive days the market went on the higher levels. So whenever the market goes on the higher levels, the people who bought at the lower levels, they start to book the profits. They'll keep trailing their stop losses somewhere here. And to trigger all these people's stop losses, the institutions will start to sell from higher levels. So once if they starts to find the liquidity, they'll start to bounce again. The market might bounce again on the higher levels. So they might accumulate somewhere here for a couple of days and later they might take the market on the higher levels. So we'll see where the market will open on Monday. So our best place should be like the flat, and if the market starts to move on the higher levels, we'll be targeting up until 38,000 should be our first target. Once if the 38,000 has been crossed decisively, we'll be targeting 38,400 and 38,800. So I'll be coming out with some learning video as well in this week, and I'll be doing a weekly analysis as well. So please do subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, please do share with your friends and press the bell icon button as well. Thank you so much.